Okay, so we've got so far with this. We've organised our columns and rows. But what we need to do now is look at this here, because we've got a title for this, what we can call it as a table. But it goes over these cells. The actual data for that is only in cell A1, but because there's so much data, it stretches across. It looks like it goes across B1, C1, D1 and E1. What we can do is get our title to appear in cell A1 and B1. The technique we're going to use for this is merge and center, but first of all we need to look at how we select cells. So if you can see, the pointer at the moment is a kind of a white cross, and that means now we can select some cells. So I'm just going to click on cell A1 once, and then with the left click of the mouse I'm going to hold down the left click and then highlight into cell B1. And you can confirm that those two cells have been highlighted because it's surrounded by a green rectangle. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to click on, in the alignment area of our formatting at the top of the spreadsheet, we've got the option to merge and center. So click on merge and center and it will merge those two cells together. So we're part way through now in making that so it's more organized and it's within a cell. But we still can't see the entire contents. So we need to include another technique which is called wrap text. So click on wrap text and you can see that is wrapped the text underneath. So we can now almost see the entire contents of that text. We need to do one more thing. What I'd like you to do now is to pause this video and try and work out what you need to do now to show all of that text. Okay, so just in case you didn't work that out, what you need to do next is just to manipulate this row so it is longer. So all I'm doing here is positioning my mouse in between the 1 and the 2, and I'm just moving it down, and that now is all visible.